Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends. And do you recognise where I am? Well, I'm in Marmaris in Turkey, and recently I booked myself a EasyJet holiday for later this year, 2026. And I remember the last time I booked with EasyJet was to here in Turkey and the Ada Julian Hotel. So I thought I'd dig out this footage from the archives from 2 years ago in 2024 when I stayed at the Ada Julian Hotel. This video was on my previous YouTube channel, so I've moved it over to this one. The hotel itself was next to a very lively Irish bar. Although we were facing the Irish bar in the room we were staying in, it was very well soundproofed, so we didn't really hear what was going on, and it did get rather lively in the evenings. Let's have a look inside this hotel. This is an adults only hotel, and we were staying here on all-inclusive basis, a 4-star hotel and great value for money. And as we enter the hotel reception, there are some shops there and a bar and the downtown restaurant, and then downstairs is actually the spa and gym and a very spacious looking reception area and lobby bar there. And in that room is a TV, and people were playing board games at night as well. And then the main restaurant here, the downtown restaurant. We were stopping here on an all-inclusive basis. And as we head out, you'll see at the front the main street. Now on the main street here, there's lots of bars and restaurants and of course shops. And at the front of this, the other side of the hotel, is the main promenade, or whatever they call it, the main walkway along the coast. And another look at the Irish bar there, which, like I say, was very popular. And back into the hotel, it's evening time, so nice reception there. The staff here were really good, always very good wherever we go. And this was a lovely little lobby bar in which to have a drink. Beautifully polished floors, please don't slip over. And a look into the room we were staying in, a beautiful bathroom with a walk-in shower, tea and coffee making facilities. The biscuits weren't provided, we brought our own. And I was staying here with a friend, so twin beds and a balcony and a view from the side where you can actually see the main road on one side, there it is, and the Irish bar down below, and on the other side you should be able to see the sea. There you go, a side sea view in Turkey. Have you been to Turkey? What did you make of it? Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and why not put a comment below. Another look at the room there, big TV, nice lighting, and again, very busy street, very lively. I really enjoyed it, beautiful place. I loved walking along the seafront with all the different bars and restaurants, although you do get pestered a little bit, which I'm not keen on. This hotel has 108 rooms and it is centrally located. It is 90 kilometres, so around about 50 miles from the airport. And the EasyJet Holidays package that I purchased on this included the transfers to and from the airport as well. And a lovely hotel pool and some relaxing bean bags to sit on. And of course the sun lounges. It was lovely weather when we were there. I think it was in March 2024, if I remember rightly. Not many people in the pool. Must have filmed this early in the morning before everyone was up and about. Like I say, this hotel is situated in a area close to where it's all happening, and you can book some treatments. We booked a treatment. They have a traditional Turkish bath here, and close to this Blue Port shopping centre. And a quick look at some of the food, a bit of chicken and chips by the looks of it. It's amazing, isn't it, when you go to a buffet style, you put things on your plate you wouldn't normally put together. So a couple of food images, beautifully presented, I've got to say. And we'll leave you with some images of the cakes. I always like the cakes and a nice cup of tea. But it doesn't matter where you go, no one seems to make a cup of tea just like I like it. Cakes were really nice. Food was great. It is what it is, isn't it, with a buffet style. Sometimes it's a little bit hit and miss. You can always find something you like. And this is the gym, part of the Wellbeing Centre. This is somewhere you will never find me in the gym. In fact, there's not many people in there at all, is there? And a quick look at the beach. The hotel itself has an area on the beach with its own sun lounges. And we went on a boat ride as well. Beautiful day here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.